So this next video I want to do another type of border. So I cut a long strip, so that long strip, fold it into two this way. Okay, now once you are done folding, the next thing we want to do is that we want to cut. So you take it and you begin to make cut through. Don't cut it through. So just go, don't cut it through, just keep making that cut. So you keep cutting. Keep cutting. Keep cutting through the length of your strip, depending on what you have cut. So you keep cutting, for as long as so you open up, and then from here you just pick the first one. Make sure that this sharp edge comes out. Then you skip this, pick the next one, pin it to this sharp edge. You skip this, pick the next one, pin it to this sharp edge, skip it, pick the next one, let it kiss this, skip this, pick the next one, unfold, skip the next, pick this, skip this, pick this, skip, pick, skip, pick, skip, pick. I didn't finish cutting because of time, so but that's what you keep doing until you are done. So you can decide to leave it this way, or you can decide to pin it down depending on what you want. So that makes another type of border that you can use all around your board. So that's this is another one that I have made. It's beautiful. So